Today we got a Hoya Bois Hoya.
We're gonna do unboxing. That's my daughter. We're gonna do the unboxing. Just got it in the mail. Been waiting and waiting and waiting. And it's here.
Yay.
Got the heat pack. This is the heat pack. I need that. And my dog wanna join. Okay. This is Hoya Bois. Very fast shipping. I ordered this on Saturday. The lady sent it out on Sunday and it got here today, and today is Monday. Wow. So a pink wrapper. Okay, let's move all these out of the way. And there she is. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's get all the fuzziness off. See? So beautiful. It's very well rooted. It's in there. Yeah, you can see a little bit in there somewhere. So I have another one in the mail coming. 2 more actually. So I will unbox that when it arrives. It should be here on Thursday or Friday, I think. Something like that. And I'll do an unboxing on that too. So there she is. Very beautiful. Love it, love it. As always, I will link the seller links down below so you can check her out if you want. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe and give me a like.